Alright, completing the square. Just follow along or whatever because it's confusing to us. Me and my studio audience here. So, anyway, here's what you do. X squared minus 6x minus 8 equals 0. You're going to try to simplify and solve it. So the 8, you got these x's here, just don't worry about them. You got your negative 8, throw it on the other side, which makes it positive. So you have x squared minus 6x equals 8. Good so far, right? X squared minus 6x equals 8. Now, the way it looks, you got x squared and 6x. You're completing the square for some reason. So when you're completing the square and you're asked to do so in math class, there's a couple different ways to do it. This way, you divide negative 6, the second term. You divide your second term by 2. Hopefully that's right. You divide it by 2, which gives you negative 3. Gives you negative 3. It's negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Negative 3, you take the second term to the second power. Negative 3 to the second power, I'll just write it out. And negative 6 divided by 2 is equal to negative 3. And you take negative 3 to the second power, which gives you 9. So, 2 rules. Divide the second term by 2, and then take the second term to the second power, which is 9. And what you do with that 9, the 9 is kind of crazy. X squared, the original problem, x squared minus 6x plus the 9, you throw the 9 in right there, equal to, and it'll be 8, but you take that 9, that crazy number you got, and you add it to both sides, so you end up 9 plus 8 is 17. So then, you're left with x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 17, and since you're a math wizard, and when you see x squared minus 6x plus 9, you're like, that's x minus 3 to the second power. That's x minus 3 times x minus 3. If you do the FOIL, first, outer, inner, last, you do the FOIL on that, you'll get that. So you're a math wizard and you know how to do this. So, and you've been doing your studying, your teacher's been teaching you whatever, and you're wanting extra help. And here's your extra help. Your teacher already taught you all this, logical. It's logical in the world somewhere, in your brain somewhere. But anyway, x minus 3 squared equals 17, and then you want to reduce that and solve that. To get rid of the square, you do the opposite of a square is the radical. So, you do the radical on it, you do the radical power on it, and that gets rid of the square, which you're left with x minus 3 equal to, you do to one side, you do the other, because it's wizardry. So you do radical 17, and to reduce that, x equals, you throw the negative 3 on the other side, which makes it a positive. X equals 3, and then you got the radical plus or minus radical 17. So that's your answer right there. X equals 3 plus or minus radical 17. If you take that answer, 3 plus or minus radical 17, into your original problem, it'll work itself out somehow. And so good luck. Complete the square.